Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Valeo. So Valeo is now recruiting freshers in both Diploma as well as B.E engineering, and job location will be in Chennai. So company name is Valeo. On company website, link is given in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website. Regarding the company has been started in 1923 in a workshop in Saint-Ouen, just outside of Paris. So almost 90 years later, they have been developed and almost they have branches in almost 33 countries. So if you want to be one among them, then definitely go there and grab the job. So designation will be a trainee. Education qualification is Diploma and B.E engineers in mechanical and automobile. Role will be a permanent one. Years of experience is fresher, and job location will be Chennai. Salary as per the company norms. Regarding job description, you need to deliver the macro and code created on time without any known errors. You need to implement new ideas in an innovative solution through automation. You need to prepare technical documentation for automated process. You need to gather the needs through meeting to provide solutions in CATIA. You need to provide ideas to create new standard based on experience, and there will be an apply link in the description. You just click the link and fill all your relevant details and apply for the job. They will be contacting you or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further job updates. And one more thing is, almost 80% people are watching our videos without subscribing. Kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscription will boost our confidence for uploading more videos. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to all mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. We'll kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We'll be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.